This is parrot house. Only for parrots. I am going to tell you an interesting story of an arrogant parrot. Because of that arrogance, now every parrot is in cage. Look at them. They are making love to each other. Look at this beautiful bird. This is also a kind of parrot. This is a big one. And then look at the... One day a parrot said with great arrogance to a crow, "I am more beautiful than you." The crow sadly replied, "We both are the creation of God." But parrot was still arrogant. Next day, a hunter of birds set up a net for catching birds. By chance, parrot and crow, both of them trapped in the net. When the hunter came along with his small kid, and saw these two birds in the net, the kid said, "I will catch that beautiful bird." The hunter said, "Yes, that is really very beautiful. I also like it. So we will take that to our home." The hunter let the crow fly while the parrot was put into the cage. Now, the parrot was unfortunately in cage because of its arrogance on its beauty. So never be arrogant about your beauty. The other day, the crow was flying when it saw the parrot in the cage. It flew near the parrot and said, "Pride hath fall." Moral: pride hath fall. Of parrots you can see here. So we shouldn't look at any creation of God with low look. Look at this beautiful bird. This is also a kind of parrot. The creator of this is a every creation is one God. And then look at the other birds. And if we underestimate a creation of God, the creator will be unhappy. So we take great lesson of this story. Please subscribe and like. Thanks for watching.